show you how to make eggplant. So now this is a very traditional dish in Afghanistan, where my roots are from, and also it's one of my favorite side dish. So let's get right down to it. Let me show you how to put it together and how simple and easy it is to make. Are you ready? Because I am. Let's go! So we're using a large tray and we're gonna place our eggplant here, and we will salt and pepper both sides. So I already started a little. I'm gonna add more salt. I really like it salty. Okay, this is good. The eggplant is bland in flavor until you season it. So a little seasoning goes a long way, trust me. So there we go, it's already, I think I'm just gonna add a little more salt. There we go. Now place all the eggplant, if you can fit them all in one tray, that would be better for us. If not, then you can use another tray. Vegetable oil. My pan is really nice and warm. I think that's enough. Okay, so I'm just waiting for my oil to warm up. While waiting, I'm just gonna peel off my mint from the stems. So fry the eggplant in vegetable oil in a large pan or any size you have until the slices are golden brown. And while we're waiting for our slices to be brown, we're just gonna make our sauce ready. So it's ready to transfer my eggplant to the other pot. So now we're just gonna put my fresh sauce, tomato sauce, inside my pot. I'm not adding any oil or anything because this one already has oil inside. So this one is nice golden brown. Just gonna transfer it right away. To garnish it, and I'm using my pepper just to give a nice color to it and makes our food so much better. Gonna put some mint, fresh mint for a nice flavor. As well, I'm adding my fresh jalapeno for a little spice. Now I'm adding my second layer. try this out and let's see. Wow, it's really good. It's amazing. It's really soft, very delicious, not too spicy. Wow, I can't stop eating this. It's amazing. It's really good. You can make some rice on the side as well. You can eat it with some bread. Really good. And yeah, that's it for this amazing recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and hopefully you do follow my recipe, and I would love to know what you guys think of it. So as always, please do subscribe to my channel and share with all your friends. So thank you so much for always supporting me, and until next week, bye.